EAS70 remains in effect until 10 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Dodge, Fond du Lac, Ozaukee, Sheboygan, and Washington. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain